So Svartur has just sent me this beautiful bamboo bracelet beadboard that's specifically made for making bracelets. They are in the imperial measurement, so which means inches. So, but it also has centimeters if you need that as well. So it's really nice being in the US, our measurements are in inches. So we have that listed here. So there's 4 different sizes here, and a place here in the middle for storing your beads while you're working on them, as well as this long groove going around the outside edge for working on larger projects like necklaces and other items that you might be designing. So this is really a nice sturdy board. It's bamboo all the way through. It's really nice. Feels very sturdy. So it's got a little groove here in the back, so it's easier to pick up on both sides. Also, that's nice for if you're stacking. You can just grab the top one and move it off. So yeah, this is really nice. So it has the 4 different measurements here. It has a 6-inch measurement, 7 inches, the 7.5 inches, and an 8-inch spot for bracelet beading. This is really nice. I'm looking forward to making some bracelets with this. So let's go ahead and put some beads on it and let's see how it works. I just wanted to mention how smooth the wood is. You're not going to get any splinters. It just feels very, very smooth. So I've gone ahead and completed making a couple of bracelets, and of course using my Svartur beadboard. And these are made in the 7-inch slot for the beads, and they just turned out beautiful. So I think you're going to love the Svartur bamboo board for beadwork, for making your different size bracelet. I think you'll enjoy it too.